Well, I think you're going to like Mae Salong because we just love it here. The views are beautiful. It's a small town perched 1,100 meters up in the mountains, and we are going to visit a tea factory. We're going to take you to a morning market, and we're going to climb 800 steps up a hill to see a pagoda with a beautiful view. Let's go. We left Chiangdao on a warm, sunny morning for the 155-kilometer drive northeast to Mae Salong. And as we got closer to Mae Salong, the roads got really steep and really windy. And the views just got more impressive. Welcome to Mae Salong. What a lovely little entrance they have here. The town is built along this ridge, and the streets are very steep. You are either walking up or you are walking down. And while this town may be in Thailand, it's actually mostly inhabited by ethnic Yunnan Chinese people. And of course, no Thai town would be complete without its local 7-Eleven. And it's probably one of the most beautifully located 7-Elevens in Thailand, maybe even the world. So we're staying at the Mae Salong Hotel here in Mae Salong. Let me show you what our room is like. Okay, it's a medium-sized room for Thailand with a king-size bed, which of course I love and is most important. And we have a fairly small bathroom here, but it's got a big shower and a toilet and a sink, and it's very clean, so it's just fine. We've got a big desk area, lots of plug-ins, always important. And then we have a kind of a little seating area couch right here. But let me just show you the most amazing part. We have this fantastic deck outside all to ourselves with a lovely view out over the valley. Now here's something I haven't seen yet. You're gonna see it with me. We've got these windy kind of stairs going up. Let's have a look. Up, up, up. Wow, that is really spectacular. There's the town of Mae Salong. I am very sure we're going to like it here. So we've gotten up really early in the morning here in Mae Salong. There's a market here every morning from 6 to 8. It's an interesting way to start the day when your first 200 steps are straight uphill. Let's see what's here. What are you buying, Steve?
I think cashew.
Interesting. I've never seen bamboo in such large blocks. So we're starting off our morning here in Mae Salong after breakfast with a climb up to the pagoda at the top. We're starting at 1,100 meters, and I'll let you know how high it is once we reach the top. It's supposed to have amazing views. You can't really tell how steep this road is, but I think it's about a 20% grade. as you can probably tell by my breathing. Still seems a very long, long way away. A lot of meters to climb. All right, here we go. The first of 800 steps. So it was definitely well worth the climb. The views are beautiful here up at the Pagoda, just looking out over Mae Salong and over the valley. Absolutely gorgeous. So one of the things Mae Salong is famous for is tea growing, and we've stopped here at the Tea 101 Plantation to do some tea testing and to look at the views and just enjoy being here. So let's have a look. As you might expect, you're right up here with the tea bushes and where they're growing, and you just get great views out over the hillside. So they also have a restaurant here where you can order food and of course drink tea. And there's just tons of different teas to sample, and you can purchase it as well. It's a bit ironic, but they also have a coffee shop here. And we have the obligatory Instagram posing place here. We made a little pit stop here at the Xinjiang Tea Factory, and they've got all sorts of tea production going on, so let's have a look. These look like they're tea dryers, though we don't see any tea drying here at the moment. Oh, wow, just tons of racks here of tea that's already been dried. Just smells amazing. And of course, the factory has amazing views as well. We've driven up about 10 minutes outside of Mae Salong to Sunset Point, and we're at about 1,370 meters elevation, and it is blissfully cool. And we're gonna hang out here and watch the sunset. I hope you've enjoyed this visit to Mae Salong. Join us in the next video as we continue day 11 of our amazing road trip to northern Thailand, and we are going to be heading even further north to visit the beautiful village of Pa Hee.